In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Bluehost domain to Wix. Let's begin by initiating the process from the Wix side. You first need to log into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate your way to the Domain section. The Domain section is where you will find options related to managing and connecting domains. Once you are in the Domain section, you will see an option to add an existing domain. Go ahead and click on this. Upon clicking, a new option will appear saying, "Connect a domain you already own." As the title suggests, by clicking on it, you will be able to link your Bluehost domain to Wix. A dialog box will now prompt you to enter your Bluehost domain name. Do as instructed and then click on the Let's Go button. Following this, you will be faced with a question. Yes, I own this domain. Confirm your ownership by selecting this option. Upon confirmation, you will be provided with a Continue button. Click on this and follow the subsequent instructions to obtain the necessary DNS records, which include A records and CNAMEs. In some instances, you may need to choose an option to connect manually if the automatic connection is not available. Now, let's proceed with adjustments on the Bluehost side. Log into your Bluehost account. Once in, your task is to find the DNS settings for your Bluehost domain. They are typically located in a section labeled Domains or Manage.dns, so look out for these. Inside these settings, you will find the A and CNAME records. It may be necessary for you to delete any existing records of this type. After doing so, you can begin adding the new A and CNAME records provided by Wix. Make sure to accurately copy and paste these values from your Wix account to avoid any errors. Specifically, regarding the A records, typically, you will be adding an @host and a specific IP address provided by Wix. For the CNAME record, you will have to add a www host and a value likely to be something along the lines of www.wixdns.net. After carefully inputting the records provided by Wix, save the changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to propagate throughout the internet. Until then, don't be alarmed if your changes aren't immediately visible. You have now successfully connected your Bluehost domain to Wix. Congratulations on accomplishing this task.